Hey. What? Why are you here? What are you doing? I told you to get out. I'm hearing these stories they have corona and, I can't. Man, just take a mask. What? I don't have corona. I don't know. This is like the first human contact I've had in a while. I've just been sitting in my. Thanks for the mask, though. Okay. That's corona. No! Yo, bro, my bad, dude. I didn't mean, dude. I don't have corona, though. I was just literally, I have like a fever, a headache, dude. My bad, dude. I don't have corona. I don't. What? Sorry, ma'am. I'm not taking any chances. Sorry, ma'am. I'm not taking any chances. He would have killed you either way. Yo, dude, chill, bro. I kind of had to do a voiceover for this part because my mic turned off. But yeah, dude, I don't have corona, bro. You can chill, alright? You can chill, bro. You don't have to do that, dude. Dude, you do not have to do that, bro. Oh, and plus, geez, dude, just stop, dude. I like my life, even if I ended up turning off. Why is it your mask? If you shoot me, I'm gonna get corona. I mean, I might be double dead. Oh my gosh. Well, actually. No way.